Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to this channel. Hope we are learning together, right? Okay, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please kindly do so and turn on your notification bell. All right, now here is another amazing question. Simple, so very simple. Is it simplify 1 all over 2 minus root 3 minus 1 all over 2 plus root 3, right? So it's as simple as solving a simple fraction, right? Simple as simplifying a fraction. Okay, now let's look at the solution to the problem. All right, now this is our problem here, minus this plus root this. Okay, now to simplify this fraction, don't forget that we are going to find the LCM of these two fractions, right? So what are we going to do? We are going to simply multiply the denominators of these two fractions, right? So the first one is 2 minus root 3 bracket 2 plus, have this as root 3, you close it, right? Now what are we going to do? We will be dividing all this by the denominator of each separate fraction. So if you divide this by this, what will happen? That means this will cancel this, and what will remain? It will remain 2 plus root 3. All right, so we have 2 plus root 3 here minus, all right, so everything here divided by these 2 will cancel this and this, so we're gonna have 2 minus root 3. Please make sure that you enclose it in brackets. If you didn't enclose it in brackets, you just have minus 2 minus root 3, and eventually you'll get it wrong. You have to treat this 2 minus root 3 as a single entity, so that the minus here will affect everything within the bracket. Okay, so this will now imply that we're going to have 2 plus root 3 minus, this will become 2 minus times root 3 will give you plus root 3 divided by, mind you, if you look at this particular value down here, right, you're gonna remember one particular identity. There's a particular algebraic identity called difference of two squares, which says if you have a square minus b square, that it is same as you having a minus b, right? Open another bracket, a plus b. This is what this identity called difference of two square. Okay, now let's take this out, right? Which means this value down here is what is the difference of 2 square. In order to expand it, so we just say, if you apply the difference of 2, that would be 2 square minus what? This is your b. Your 2 here is like your a, while your root 3 is your b. So minus root 3 all square like this. Okay, now this will implies that you have 2 plus 2 here minus 2 here, that's right, so 0. Now here we have 3 plus another root 3, that gives us 2 root 3, right, divided by 2 square is 4 minus, now square root of 3, everything raised to power of 2 is 3, because your square root is something as raised to power of half, right, which will be 3 raised to power of half, or what, all square. So 2 will cancel 2 here, what remains? 3 raised to power of 1, which is equals to 3, right? Okay, now everything here is 3. Okay, so you now have what? You're gonna have 2 root 3 all over 4 minus 3 will be 1, right? Overall, you're gonna get 2 root 3 as our final answer, which means the simplification of this fraction is equivalent to 2 root 3. All right, so now I have a little problem for you to also simplify. All right, so after that, you're gonna comment your answer in the comment section. All right, so the problem is, let me write it here. Yes, let me write it here for you. So simplify. You're gonna simplify 1 all over, let me say, 3 minus root 2, okay, plus half 2 all over 3 minus 3 plus root 2. So simplify this and let us know your answer in the comment sections. Let's see how far have you learned. All right, okay, bye bye.